at St John's Church, Bollington, peal out for the final time. Over 200 campanologists from around the country descended on the church one weekend in January to mark the removal of the 8 bells and ring the changes for the last time in Bollington. The church was built in 1834 for the princely sum of £4,002, but sadly closed in 2003 due to declining congregations and increasing costs. Cast in 1880 by John Taylor and Company, were dismantled by the same company. After being re-skimmed and retuned, the bells will be hung in a church in Stockton Heath. St John's Church will now be redeveloped into 13 residential apartments. The bell ringers, including some from Bollington, hung up their bell ropes for the last time, bringing to an end a centuries-old ritual of bells pealing out over Bollington.